But I'm not a gold digger. I know! I just like a man who's like financially stable. You know? Can you imagine catching the bus with your man?
How romantic.
Not cute. Not cute and can't relate, bitch. Oh, that lighting is amazing.
Tell me about it. What's up, fam? It's Life with CaityB and I'm here with Vaa.
Let me turn this fucking music down.
I'm here with Vaa, the makeup artist, I reckon. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Vaa and I'm wearing glasses because I got no eyelashes on, so sorry, not sorry at all.
So we're gonna be doing an extra look today, cause you know I just want to be extra today.
Okay.
Want to look so fine, so sexy.
We're giving her the full makeover.
Full beat.
Doing it. Bow and her with my drink.
Wow.
I saw you drink and I wanted to drink. So yeah, we're doing this to support our girl. You know,
Okay.
we're gonna be doing a blue look on her, and what else are we gonna do? Maybe a smoke it out, and definitely gonna be a contour because I'm the queen of contouring. And you know, your sis just got her nails done.
I know, it looks so good. This just be breaking a nail every week.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I thought that was broken, but it's into my skin. Yes, I love to get my nails did. I get them done every fortnight by my girl Helen, Ling Ling. Oh, I just wanted to say, oh, my nails, bitch.
Yeah, I need to get my nails done. Look at this. What kind of girl has nails like this? Oh my gosh. We gonna get started. Oh my gosh. So this is the before. These eye bags, these uneven eyebrows, this uneven skin tone. Which of you look
This
real?
is my adopted sister who found
We're
on
like
the road.
sisters now.
Who found on the rocks.
Talking shit.
Today I'm gonna try Fenty Beauty. I don't know. Her foundation. Oh shit, there it is. So we're gonna try that. I've never tried it before, so it's gonna be my first time wearing Fenty Beauty. And don't even be judging me because I look good outside of this
All the
shit.
time.
Not all the time, but you know.
I don't know, I look
I
better
just
all the
like
time.
to get dressed up. Why did you get into filming or YouTube?
So my mum motivated me to start this.
Oh,
Like I always
see?
wanted to become a YouTuber, but like, you know, I was just like, I needed that support system.
Okay. I got into makeup because I don't know.
Gotta look bougie.
Gotta look good all the time. I wasn't having like no men were coming my way. Like I have no luck anywhere. I still don't have any luck. And then you know, a sis blew up, like you know, she glowed up a little bit, just a little bit. It looks like it not right now, but yeah, I used to be like 150 kilos.
Yeah, I know. You guys should see the photos. Oh my gosh, you look good before and after.
Little sis.
You gotta get that support, man.
Go get out. So mama, her mama is the cutest thing. So I met her today and she came in with bonbons. So we are probably sponsored by
Bonbons.
Actually, we can't say that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay,
Well, we're not.
We're not. We will be.
Yeah,
She will get there.
Because I eat there all the time. You better.
Yeah, dumbass. Sponsor my sister, bitch. Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, tell them the story how we met. I met them at work.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Do you hate it when people look at you when you're doing their makeup?
I'm just so fucking looking at me.
This guy ate crackers for how many months? 2 crackers
6 months.
for. Oh, what is that for?
So okay, so when I first started losing the weight, I only ate 2 crackers a day. And I was crazy. And my eyes were crazy. Yeah, I only had 2 crackers. Like, who the fuck does that?
I know, I can't. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it.
Don't die, bitch! I always start off with my brows because I feel like when you have your brows and your eyes done, then everything else is like, it gets easier.
That's so true.
So I do the hard part first, always. Just remember that. The secret to having the best brows is knowing how to conceal them, because you can fill them in as much as you want, but if you don't know how to clean them out, bitch, you're gonna have bushy brows. And just a quick PSA.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say, like, if you know that you see other Polynesians and they're coming up, get out there and support them. Don't be hating, like, seriously.
Please, guys.
I don't get that. Like, islanders are like one of the worst people, like, not the worst people, but like in terms of judging people, that's what they do.
So
like,
true.
So if you see another islander wanting to come up, help them, support them. Get out of there. Stop being such an asshole.
I know.
Stop judging me for what I wear.
Goodness.
Caity will show you in a picture what I wear, and you'll never stop.
Slay. Preach, preach.
Because why is it that the other Balinese can support each other and we can't?
Yeah, that's so true. What concealer did you use?
I use the Maybelline one. Yes, I use her
Nice and cheap,
drugstore
guys.
bitch. And don't say it's about the makeup you have, because it's not. It's like how you work it.
Yeah.
You don't need the best to be the best. Sometimes you have to start from the bottom to get to the best.
Yeah. I didn't know that till like recently too. Because I used to watch a lot of YouTubers use like high-end products, and I thought, you know, that was like the go-to. And I found out a lot of people were using like Maybelline and stuff, and I was like, what? Wasted all this money.
The reason why like other makeup artists they put out like the expensive shit, yeah, it's good. Like, don't get me wrong, it's really nice stuff. But it's because they can afford to, you know. I'm on a budget. Even though I don't act like it sometimes.
Is he bougie?
So little.
Just a little bit.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a concealer, and I'm going to, not concealer, eyeshadow. I'm using Stila. That's one of my favorites. And then I'm gonna use the white shade to do like to matte her eyes, because that's what I like doing. Oh, that's what you should do.
Oh my gosh, my brows look amazing. I love it.
Anything to support my sis. So stop being a
yeah, and freaking follow his Instagram and everything. I'll have it here below.
So now that I've matte her eyes, and because like it makes things easier for me, we're gonna go in with the By Terry. So
expensive products, man.
I'm gonna use the By Terry. It's actually really nice. I haven't used it yet, but I bought it just for her. Yeah, I did it.
I'm so special, guys. I'm so lucky.
So I'm gonna use, I bought this brush. It's a Smashbox Cover Ready for her to do her transition color. I don't know how to speak like makeup artists. I just do whatever the hell I want. So don't judge me. We do it our way, because we are the trendsetters. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this for her to do a transition color for her.
Sorry if it looks blurry, guys. I don't know how to do autofocus on this camera. I'm still learning. I'm still in the process.
Yeah, and don't judge her.
Yeah.
Before I knock you out.
Yeah, hold on. That's right.
One else.
Fight me. No.
Just don't come up to me when I'm wearing a wig, because it's not the time to fight.
It's not the time.
Oh yes, and I do wear wigs. So my thing is like, with us Polynesians, like they're so set in like telling us, oh, you're a fuffa, or you know, or like you're not a fuffa. And to me, like I am, and I'm proud to be, but my thing is like I'm a gender bender, so I don't conform to one gender. I like to mix it up. Like you can't tell me what to do.
So true.
Like if I want to wear wig and girls clothes, I'm gonna do that. If I want to wear boys clothes, I'm gonna do that. And I'm so proud of who I am. Seriously, like I've come such a long way. So go onto my Instagram.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go in. I like bright colors. So we're gonna go in with this shade. I don't know what shade it's called, but it's this one here. So I'm gonna go in with this color here, a brown color, only because like I want to do a bright look on her. So I want the transition color just to be neutral. This is just a normal brush that I go in, and then blend out the crease. Yes, we got this palette. This is my favorite palette that I use for the orange. It looks ratchet, but it does my jobs. Do you ever speak to your dad?
No, I've never met him actually.
You never met him?
I've only seen a photo of him, but it was like back in Southern.
Well, I hope you make it. Because I know previously your mom did an amazing job. And her mom is such a beautiful person.
Yeah. My mom is amazing, I'm telling you.
I don't even know her. I met her today. And I love her.
Good shit.
I feel like we're going to be seeing more of each other nowadays.
Yeah, I hope so. We're so good.
So I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner palette. And the shade...
Shannon.
What's up with these motherfuckers that are putting shade? The colors... Well, this one. This blue one. Because, you know, she's feeling extra tonight.
Ultra extra.
So I'm just going to put this on her crease. Girl, wait till the cut crease and the glitter's on, bitch. Oh, sorry, not bitch, but sorry, mama. Take 300.
Take 5,000.
Okay. I'm a person who swears, so whatever. And don't judge me for how I do makeup. Y'all don't know me, okay? Y'all don't know how we do it, okay? Ugh, shabba. Shabba. So I'm gonna go in with Stila, some Stila glitter. Someone can't find the
There's a lot of
gold.
stuff we packed too.
So I'm gonna use this. It's a glitter. It's pretty expensive. It's like $40 for one. I know, but if you're on a budget, go to when I am on a budget, but like I used to use loose glitter. And then grab setting spray or a bit of glue and you just stick it on the eyes. Just don't get it in your eyes, guys, because it fucking kills. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this.
Listen to the master. Wow, we really revealing the forehead now.
Don't worry, sis.
I like it.
Now I'm gonna use the Mecca Cosmetic foundation brush, and I'm gonna use the fancy. Oh no, lucky because y'all bitches wanna clock me primer.
Primer. Oh, true.
Y'all bitches woulda came for me.
Can't forget no primer, girl.
Yes.
I got fake news, fake love.
So I'm using the Hangover Explanishing Face Primer.
Oh yes.
Sing this song for me, please.
I'm gonna run out of breath. Yeah. Gotta put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be.
Girl, you're giving me life right now. I'm gonna have some of what your mom bought us.
Yes,
Well, this dry top of it.
Yeah. Let's see him get cold.
Oh, she bougie or whatever.
We got some little sausage rolls or whatever. I love it.
I love a good sausage.
Can't relate, can't relate. Got a little beautiful shaksha looking piece of bread, sausage looking things. And we're gonna try to put this somewhere.
Oh my gosh.
Depend on you.
And my lips are real, by the way.
Yeah, my lips.
I get told that my lips look fake.
Yeah, I know. That looks like. Yeah, my lips are really small, guys. It's embarrassing.
So one of my inspirations is definitely my mom. She's the complete opposite of me. Like, she's so quiet, she's so humble. I'm Not quite. I'm a bit humble. Another inspiration would be my sisters. They inspire me all the time. My goddaughter. She's exactly like me, diva, like to the T. Like she gives me life. Like, you know how there's normal goddaughters, you go and see them? So when I go see her, she'll be like, she'll be like either in a good day or she'll be like, hey auntie.
Yeah.
On a normal day, it's like, hey bitch. And she's only 3 years old.
3 years old?
4.
Is this, oh, you might have put it on your Instagram.
Yeah.
Wow.
The one thing I teach them is girls don't cry, boys do. And to this day, like every time they cry, I always tell them girls don't cry, boys do. Because like I don't want them growing up thinking that it's alright for a man to make them cry.
Yeah.
So I always tell them
So true.
Boys cry. And trust me, they do. Like, don't listen to what anyone says about you. Because if we were to listen to everything everyone said about us, we would never be happy. That's a lesson I learned, and I learned it the hard way. But hey, I'm still here, bitch.
I need to live a bit more, actually.
Yeah, but I'll still be there to whoop your ass. So try it. Try it.
Try it.
So I just contoured her face. I use a MAC cream contour. Only because it's like, that's what I know what to work with. And so like, I love a really defined but really light contour. So now I am going to, I use this fluffy brush usually. And I'm going to use the Bare Minerals contour palette that I use. Bare Minerals is really good because it's really light, and especially because I got really bad skin sometimes, I find that it helps me out more. So if you want to go and check that out, try it. I don't know if it looks so well.
I'm probably gonna get all these products now.
And this is what I also use to bake because it's so light. Like, it works for me. I don't know if it works for you, but it works for me. So on my clients, I usually just bake like this, and because like it's not like really, it doesn't stand out that much, and you don't need much of it anyway.
I don't want to look at it.
Can I have a sausage?
Yes, it's hot. Actually, do you want to grab it?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Hey, it's just the camera.
So because I'm act around a lot, I have more goals now. One of my goals is to graduate school. So next year I'm picking up building and construction with my sister because we're trying to own our own business together. And so I'm always gonna be a lover of makeup no matter what. I just feel like this is like a stepping stone for me. And so if everything goes well, I'm gonna sell my portion of my business to my sister, who I trust the most. And then, or she'll buy me out of the company, and whatever money I get, I'm gonna invest into a makeup brand. I don't want to be limited to what I can do. I want to have like different like products, stuff that that caters to the Polynesian people.
Yes.
Yes, I will be that bitch. Yeah. So then, like, my goal is to retire by the time I'm 45, so make that much money and then just spend my life traveling, because I've never really, like, I have traveled but not as much as I want to. So then it'll be a good inspiration to other people, to other Polynesians. Just get out there, do whatever you need to do to grind. And then yeah, so by the end of all of that, I am also going to invest, like, I'm going to try and invest into a non-for-profit job agency that caters to the Polynesian people, because I feel like we're discriminated against a lot.
How good?
And we get told a lot, we're gonna have shifts, we're gonna have shifts, we're gonna have shifts.
Yeah.
And we get nothing.
Yeah.
So I want to cater, like I'm not going to discriminate against any race, but it's purely for the Polynesian people to give back, because the next generation is the future leaders of tomorrow. So if I'm not giving them a chance to work for what they need or what they want, like there's no platform. And I feel like I want to give that platform to them. So these are my goals, and no one's stopping me anymore. There will be nobody in this world that's going to stop me from my grind. So good luck.
See how inspirational? No, but like it's really not.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you my secret that I told CaityB, but I'm gonna do it without you seeing.
Is the same thing that makes me change my mind. To explain, but girl, I'll try.
I feel like I'm in some 5-star studio, man.
See this girl, she sorta like you.
Shut up!
That's my hero.
Even smiles just
my hero.
Oh,
innocent.
Don't be answering back on YouTube for YouTube sees your ass get whooped.
Okay, cut this one. I'm gonna leave it on. Partition, please. Oh baby, baby, better slow it down. 45 minutes to get all dressed up, and we ain't even gonna make it to this club. Take all of me. Handprinted footprint on my glass, handprinting good all on my ass. Private show with the music blasting. You like to call me teachers when we get this now. Oh.
Hi! Okay, so everyone, welcome back. I hope you liked it.
Oh, big time.
Thank you for having me. It was really good to.
Thank you for having me.
This is very therapeutic.
Yeah, big time.
Honestly.
It's a good time waster as well. Like.
Yeah, honestly. We've been here since what, 10 o'clock in the morning? It's like 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Holy shit. 3 hours.
3 hours, guys. It didn't even feel like 3 hours.
I know. It felt like faster than that.
Yeah.
But how do you enjoy the experience?
I'll give it a freaking 1 million out of 1. That's all I'm gonna say. I really love it, guys. I love the look. I love the glam. I love the glam squad. Him and the sisters are so talented and so chill. Like it doesn't even feel like you're not at home or anything. You know what I'm saying? So homely.
Yeah. We like to do that.
And I love the lashes. Oh
But,
my god.
Oh, yes, lady. You have to go home and tell mommy. But yeah, if you're looking for my Instagram, I am at Vaa Siania.
And I'll take it down below.
Thank you. But please support my sister. She really, it means a lot.
And support my sister here too.
Support each other. That's the goal. We can't get anywhere unless we support one another. Anyways, we out, bitches.
We out. Enjoy.
Carefully. Because I don't have my wig on, so. She feeling herself.
Well, see you guys later.
See ya.